Hello, fellow young entrepreneurs and creatives. Are you ready for 2024? I am. As you can see, super excited about 2024 because it's a new year, and new year means new opportunities. New year means new levels of operation. New year means a new chance to do things differently. And so I want to invite you to this life-changing event called Level Up 2024, where we'll be helping young creatives and entrepreneurs to level up their game in 2024. We'll be giving a free entrepreneurship workshop where we teach creators how to create in a way that's impactful, especially with the recent wave of AI technology and new ways of doing business. Now business is done online, which is why the first way we want to begin this event is by doing it online. So you have no excuse but to be there, because you can just jump on Zoom and change your business life and your creative life forever. We're here to support you and to make sure that the business you have for 2024, the plans you have for 2024 actually come to fruition. Now, here's the truth. The biggest reason why creatives and entrepreneurs fail is not because they don't know what to do, but it's because usually they don't have a support system. Give anyone a support system, no matter how small their idea is, it's going to be great, because we are social creatures and we need that community and that togetherness. And that's what Level Up 2024 provides you. A network of other creatives who are killing it in the game, who will give you insights and advice and support to actually grow together in whatever venture that you're taking, so that we can all have access to this. You're gonna get access to free coaching, free resources and books. You're gonna get access to obviously a free mentorship program. We'll be able to help you literally launch your business and launch your idea, and make sure you have an understanding of what is your vision. Some people lack money. We'll connect you to where you can get the money from, the funding and all that. Please make sure you are there. And this is for all creatives and entrepreneurs, as long as you are young. Yes, even young at heart. Come join us on January 2024 to change your 2024 and your entire life forever, for the rest of your life. So if you want to make sure you reserve your spot, do that. It's free. It's available for everybody. If you know somebody who needs this type of support, this type of entrepreneur support or creative support, please make sure you send them the link. As long as they're in Canada, that's all we ask. This is strictly for Canadians, right? So anyways, thank you so much, guys, and see you in 2024.